How to BUY $8CH 8CH token crypto coin. If you're interested in purchasing the 8CH token before it potentially takes off, this guide will show you how to buy it. Please note that this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, and it's important to conduct your own research before investing in any project. Be sure to assess the risks and rewards carefully. Additionally, if you want to get some free rewards in crypto, you can use the referral code found in the description below. What is the 8CH token? The 8CH token has recently been gaining attention in the crypto space, with some promising signs of growth. According to the latest updates, the token was created just a few hours ago and is currently trending on crypto screeners. It's available on various platforms, and its liquidity is 100% unlocked, which means there are no restrictions on withdrawing or selling your tokens. How to buy the 8CH token? Here's a simple step-by-step process to buy the 8CH token. Step 1. Set up a crypto wallet. Before you can purchase any cryptocurrency, you'll need a crypto wallet. A popular choice is the Phantom wallet, but you can also use other wallets that support the network of the token you're buying, e.g., Solana. Install the Phantom wallet or any wallet that works with Solana-based tokens. Fund your wallet with Solana, SOL, or another cryptocurrency that can be swapped for 8CH tokens. Step 2. Access the token address. To purchase the 8CH token, you'll need the token's contract address. This is typically available on the exchange or platform where you discovered the token, like the token screener or other crypto platforms. Copy the 8CH token address. Step 3. Go to the swap section in your wallet. Now that you have the wallet set up and the token address copied, you can follow these steps to purchase the 8CH token. Log in to your Phantom wallet or the wallet you're using. Navigate to the swap section within the wallet interface. Paste the token address, 8CH token address, into the Select Token section. This will allow you to swap your existing assets, like SOL, for the 8CH token. Set the amount you want to buy. Step 4. Choose a provider, Jupiter. To finalize the purchase, you'll need to choose a swap provider. You can use Jupiter, which is a popular exchange aggregator for Solana-based tokens. Select Jupiter as your provider for the best exchange rates. Ensure you read through all of the details before proceeding to ensure everything looks correct. Step 5. Swap and confirm the transaction. Once you've entered the amount you want to buy, you'll see how many 8CH tokens you'll receive. Review the transaction details carefully. Click Swap and confirm the transaction. If you face any issues, such as an error or unsuccessful transaction, you can try adjusting the slippage tolerance. Most issues stem from slippage when the price fluctuates during your transaction. To do this, go back to the swap section and adjust the slippage, set it between 1% to 5%. Retry the transaction. Step 6. Complete the purchase. After adjusting the slippage and confirming your transaction, you should be redirected to the Jupiter provider page to complete the purchase. Once the transaction is confirmed, you should have the 8CH tokens in your wallet. Additional tips. Referral codes. Be sure to check if there's a referral code available in the description. Referral programs may offer free rewards, including crypto, when you use the code. Stay updated. Make sure to keep following updates about the 8CH token to stay informed about any changes or potential price movements. Conclusion. Purchasing the 8CH token is a straightforward process, but like any investment, it's important to proceed with caution. Make sure you have thoroughly researched the token and understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency investments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on how to navigate the world of crypto.